Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2051 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom, the light switches for the bedroom itself, and right here we have the do not disturb and makeup room switches. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, we have two wardrobes. This is the first one with drawers below, the in-room safe, a bar to hang items on with hangers, and there's a bit of storage right above. For the second wardrobe, we have the in-room slippers below, an iron right there, an ironing board right there, bathrobes, hangers, the laundry sheet and laundry bags, another bar to hang items on, and even more storage right above. Next to the wardrobe, we have an empty fridge, so you can put your own items in there, a drawer for storage, and here we have the coffee machine, kettle, couple of glasses, couple of mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff with spoons, tissues, and right there we have a power outlet and a light switch for the pantry area. Above, from left to right, we have coffee pots, bottles of water, and the minibar menu. Opposite the wardrobe / pantry area, we have a floor to ceiling mirror. And to the right of it, we have the entrance to the bathroom. There we have the bathtub with shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel bottles. A window to look into the bedroom, but if you want more privacy, you can always close the shade. There's a light right there, box of tissues, towels, all the bathroom amenities, more towels below, the bin, an extra toilet roll with the hairdryer behind it. We have a sink right there, couple of mirrors, hello, shaving mirror right there, the power outlet for the shaver. To the left and to the right, we have a regular power outlet with a couple of USB-A ports. Below is the body lotion and hand wash bottles. We have a couple of glasses right there. And here, we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Another set of shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel bottles. There's the toilet with the toilet roll, handheld bidet, towels right above with the bath mat, hooks behind the door. Further inside, we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. On the right bedside table, it is empty, so you can put your own items there. We also have a drawer and an open storage area below. There we have light switches, power outlets, and USB-A ports. There's the light right above. There's a climate control panel with a power outlet below. Place to put luggage, and opposite the bed we have a flat screen Samsung TV. There we have the desk with the bin below. It is a dual bin, so you have the regular waste to the left and the recyclable items to the right. There's a drawer right there, desk chair, in-room telephone, the breakfast order sheet, messages from the hotel regarding the construction. We can scan the QR code right there to view the hotel directory and room service menu. We have power outlets and USB-A ports right there. There's a mirror above the desk, a light right there, a table, armchair, welcome fruits, note for my room, note from the general manager for being an Honors Diamond member. And on the left bedside table, we have surface storage, open plan storage below, and a drawer right there. Writing materials, TV remote, more light switches and more USB-A ports and more power outlets. Another set of lights above. And as for the view out, we can see Federal Highway right there, the road around the hotel right there. You can see all the surrounding buildings. And that is the west wing of the hotel. You can see the hotel's pool below, right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2051 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.